Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today you're going to do something different, and today is going to be a plastering challenge. I tried one of these before, plastering a room, a larger room than we're going to be doing today, and I tried to get it done in a day. I didn't get it done in a day. I think I got the ceiling done and maybe 3 walls. So today's channel, we're going to try and do this entire room in one day. So that's the ceiling, 4 walls. We're going to try it. So it's 3 of us today, me, Namdi and MJ. Namdi's going to help me flattening while I'm applying. MJ is going to be the mixer man, and I reckon we can get it done. So it is just gone 10 o'clock. We did start late. I had to run around and pick up a couple of bits. We're stuck in London traffic as usual as well. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get it done. So let's see. So this is the space that we will be working. As you can see, it's all pretty much prepped. The only thing we haven't done, or hasn't been done, is to put angle bead on the edges here, which is not going to take long. So we'll do that in while things are sort of going. But this is the space that we're doing, as you can see. So we've got 1 window, 1 door, and then it's just all plain walls and a plain ceiling. We've got some spotlights to cut out as well, but for now I'm just going to mark the holes so I can just skim the whole ceiling. I'll cut them out later. But yeah, that's pretty much space. So it's about 2.2 ceiling height. This wall is about 4 meters, just under 4 meters, and this wall here is just under 3 meters. So giving you an idea of the size of the space. So I am going to start with the ceiling first, which is the best place to start, which takes most of the energy. So yeah, we're going to probably put this on time lapse for most of it, but I will give you guys an update, and we'll see how quickly we can get this done, working together as a team. Alright guys, real quick update. So we actually started at half past 10, and it's now 10:41, so that's an hour and 11 minutes. And this is what we've done so far. So we have hit 1 coat on the ceiling, as you can see. 1 coat. Namdi's also flattened that down as well. He's just giving this wall here first flatten down as well. We also did this large back wall, which I've just finished, hasn't been flattened yet. And we also did this one over there, which has been flattened. So all that in 1 hour and 10 minutes. 1 coat, 3 walls and a ceiling. So I'm very confident we're gonna get this done. So we're gonna try and now do 2nd coat on this. That's probably gonna take us about an hour again. And then it's lunchtime. And then once we've done that, after lunch we come back and do that wall and we're done. guys, here we go. This is the next update. So second coats are done, all the flattening has been done. These 3 walls and ceiling are done, complete. You guys can see it a bit closer up. If you can see it. But yeah, these ones are done, looking good. And it is now 1:20, 20 past 1. So we can have lunch now. So I think that's about an hour and 40, I think, from the last update, if I can remember. So it's taking a little while. But yeah, it's done. So we're gonna have lunch, then we come back, and then we just got one more to do. I also done round in the window reveals and the door reveals already. So literally all we've got to do is 2 coats on this wall here and job done. All right guys, so after lunch we have done 1 coat on this wall, as you can see. So let's see what the whole room is looking like now. You can see it's looking real good. So 1 coat now, just letting that go off for a bit, and so yeah, second coat and then we're done. Hi guys, so we are done, mission accomplished. We managed to get the room done in 1 day. So it is now exactly 4:15. What time did we start? About 10:30, something like that. So that's been about 6 hours, almost 6 hours to get the whole wall done. That is the 3 of us. So yeah, mission accomplished. So let's have a look what it looks like. And there we go. So this is this wall here. This is ceiling, which we did first. There's that wall here as well. That wall there, and that wall there. All done. All ready for Mr. Namdi to come here and paint. So it's looking good. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Also, I'd like to shout out to all our subscribers. Thank you for everybody who's supporting the channel. We have hit the 30,000 mark. So I'm really chuffed about that. So thank you again from the bottom of our hearts for supporting the channel and the work that we do, and hope you guys enjoyed this video and you've learned something. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.